how to restore our corp? Well, here's the situation. When you have only one database that you wanna grab from backup, first you need to create empty database here, okay, and then you can import it. This is how basically MySQL server works. It's not about me. You have that into documentation, okay, and I will show you that later. So create database corp again, and that will be empty one for now. Use corp show tables from corp, and nothing is here, okay, absolutely nothing, empty blank database. Okay, next thing, we need to go to our terminal when we are using MySQLdump, and now we will use MySQL here. MySQL is also application that, and you can find it into here, into your directory where you have MySQL installed. See, MySQL. So let's use it. And again, we need to log in. Root P, don't type password. And the situation here is very easy. Just type name of your new database, and then the reverse polarity of this arrow here, and import it from corp arch.sql, and you're pretty much done. Again, no confirmation, but everything will be fine. So now if you go to your actual client and type show tables from corp, there you go, you have everything. Select all from stores, and there you go, data is there. So I was thinking about showing you that documentation where they are saying that if you have only one backup, that you must first create empty database and then import actual data. So let me find that.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit my website tutsmake.com.